In this example, we're asked to use a set of data to create a scatter plot or scatter diagram, and as well to use that with a graphing utility to find a line of best fit. So let's first look at this data. This is kind of a long list of data, quite a bit to type into Desmos. So I'm going to show a shortcut. You see this little icon over here to the side. I'm going to select Copy to Clipboard. And I just want to select the values, and I'm using either Command-C or Control-C to copy. I'm going to come over here to a Desmos screen or Desmos tab and then paste it. So either Command-V or Control-V to paste. Notice that Desmos reads that as a table, so I don't have to go in and individually give Desmos the entire table of values. It also already selected Zoom Fit, so I can see the scatter diagram pretty clearly here on my screen. For the next part, we're asked to use a graphing utility to find the line of best fit that models this relationship. And for this, we have to use that Desmos language for linear regressions. So come down to line 2, and what we want to do is tell Desmos that we want to write a line like y equals mx plus b, but our y is not just any y. Our variable y is actually y sub 1. So here in line 2, you would type y1, and it's already recognizing that that 1 is a subscript. I don't need to do any special characters or keys for that. The next thing I want to select is tilde. Tilde is most likely on your keyboard up near the top left of your keyboard, and this is the signal to Desmos that what we're getting ready to do is fit a model to this data. Next, we're going to write out the rest of mx1 plus b, but again, mx, as I select x here, it's not exactly x, it's x sub 1. So I'll type mx1 and then plus b. When I do that, I've told the Desmos to find a linear model or line of best fit or linear regression for that set of data. I see some parameters here for m and b that I can copy and paste into the parameters, those spaces for those parameters into this equation. So for this first part, I just copied m, the value for m, over, and I've rounded it to 4 decimal places. When I go back to Desmos and I look at b, I don't see 4 decimal places, and it could be that it ends, this decimal value ends at 0.15, but just to be sure, come down to line 3 and type just b. In this case, we'll see much more decimal values, and sure enough, there are more places here that I would want to copy and paste into that space for B, and then I would want to round that to 4 places behind the decimal.